Welcome to KenKen AgriTech. This is the place where we dive into the marvels of modern agriculture, uncover cutting-edge farming techniques, and share the untold stories behind the food we enjoy every day. Whether you're a dedicated farming enthusiast, a curious food lover, or someone committed to sustainability, our mission is to connect you with the captivating world of agriculture. In today's episode, we're excited to take you on a journey through the life of one of the world's favorite crops, the potato. From preparing the soil to harvesting and packaging, we'll guide you through each step that transforms these versatile tubers from farm fields to your table. So let's get started and explore the fascinating art and science behind potato farming. Potatoes are one of the world's most consumed and versatile crops. With their countless varieties, they offer an incredible range of flavors and textures, making them an indispensable part of global cuisine. However, growing potatoes involves more than meets the eye. It's a precise and time-consuming process that combines skill and dedication. In this video, we'll guide you through the incredible journey of potato farming, from preparing the soil to harvesting and storing these humble yet vital tubers. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the soil. The first step in successful potato farming is preparing the soil. Farmers loosen the earth by plowing and tilling the fields. This process removes clumps, stones, and other debris that could obstruct the growth of the potatoes. By ensuring the soil is soft and nutrient-rich, farmers create an ideal environment for healthy crop development. Step 2. Creating planting rows. The next step is shaping the fields into planting beds or rows. These rows provide adequate spacing for the seed potatoes to grow without competing for sunlight, nutrients, or water. Step 3. Preparing seed potatoes. Seed potatoes are carefully prepared by slicing larger potatoes into smaller pieces, each containing at least one eye. These eyes are sprouts that will grow into new plants. The cut pieces are then allowed to dry slightly, reducing the risk of rotting when planted. Step 4. Planting the seed potatoes. Farmers plant the seed potatoes either by hand for smaller scale operations or with the help of mechanized potato planters for larger farms. Once planted, the potatoes begin their life cycle by sending roots deep into the soil, while shoots emerge above ground to absorb sunlight. 5. Growth and blooming. Over the next several weeks, potato plants grow stems and lush green leaves. When the plants reach maturity, they produce flowers. These blooms are an indication that the potatoes are developing underground. During this stage, farmers carefully monitor the plants to ensure they remain healthy, nourished, and pest-free. Step 6. Pre-harvest preparation. After 8 to 12 weeks, the plants are ready for harvest. Farmers prepare by trimming or removing the foliage above ground, either manually or using herbicides. This allows the potatoes to fully mature underground while toughening their skins to reduce damage during the harvesting process. Step 7. Harvesting and curing. Harvesting is carried out either manually or with harvesting machines, depending on the farm size. Once harvested, the potatoes are left in a cool, dark, and dry environment for about 2 weeks. This curing period helps the skins harden and heals any minor damage, ensuring the potatoes are ready for long-term storage. Step 8. Sorting and storage. After curing, the potatoes are washed, sorted, and graded. Any damaged or substandard potatoes are removed. The remaining potatoes are stored in well-ventilated storage facilities, maintained at precise temperatures and humidity levels to keep them fresh for months. Step 9. Packaging and distribution. The final step in the journey is packaging. Potatoes are packed into branded bags and prepared for distribution to stores, markets, and restaurants worldwide. From here, they make their way into kitchens where they'll be transformed into countless delicious dishes. Potato farming is a remarkable blend of tradition, science, and hard work, showcasing the dedication of farmers who bring this essential crop to our plates. Next time you enjoy fries, baked potatoes, or a hearty stew, take a moment to appreciate the effort behind every bite. Thank you for tuning in to KenKen AgriTech. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from the world of agriculture. See you in the next video. Let me know if you'd like to refine this further.